In this video, I will show you step by step on how to export high quality JPEG in CorelDraw, a step by step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell so each time I post valuable content about CorelDraw tutorial, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to save Corel file into JPEG in high resolution. So this file you see right here is 100% CorelDraw vector file. Okay, now for us to export or save this file as a JPEG, what we want to do is to make sure we come to the top right here, we go to file, then we come down below here, we make sure we click on export, or you press Ctrl E. Then I'm going to save this particular file into my desktop. Then I'll have to come to save as type. I'm going to click on that. Then I'll make sure I look for JPEG. Then I make sure I choose this JPEG bitmap. Then I make sure I click on export. So you can see the preview from the window right here. You can come to the top right here, click on this plus right here. This allows you to zoom out the entire quality of the design. So you can see that we still maintain 100% higher resolution. Then you have to come to the quality right here. Make sure you leave it in highest. Okay, and make sure this is in 100%. Then come down below right here, click on OK. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I minimize my Corel file. So you can see the file right here is now a JPEG file format. So by the time I click on it and press enter key on my keyboard, it's going to load the design. You can see it is JPEG file. Okay, so here we have it in higher resolution. So you can see, so this is how to save or export your Corel file to JPEG file, a step-by-step tutorial in just few minutes. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.